Next, we're going to go ahead and add a watch list to the platform. What this will do is allow us to easily select between different tickers that we want to either watch or trade throughout the day. In order to do this, we're simply going to click the Watch List Details and News tab on the top right-hand side and click the plus icon to add the tickers that you want to watch or trade throughout the day. In this case, perhaps if you're trading futures, you want to add NQ, let's say ES, Mini NQ, and Mini ES. You can now click between these tickers to simply switch the chart that you're looking at or the ticker that you'd like to trade. If you'd like to separate, for example, the micros from the minis or add some sections to the watch list, you can simply click this three dot icon on the right, click on Add a Section, and let's call this section Minis. And from here, we can click and drag the minis down there and separate them from the micros, for example.